Welcome back to the show. This is Good Morning Sri Lanka, and just between the commercial, I think people missed what you were doing. You were singing along. I think that you actually cheer me up today. You know.
Why do you have to tease me for everything?
I'm not teasing you. I'm just stating a fact. I think yeah. You can sing for one.
Yeah, I can manage.
You could.
Okay.
Can we try something out?
No.
A little bit.
Okay.
Please?
What do you want me to sing?
Anything. Absolutely anything.
Okay, since we're talking about change, I'm just going to sing 2 lines of John Mayer's
Okay.
Change. So we keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change.
You should give me some lessons, okay? On how to sing.
After the show.
After the show. And during the show, perhaps.
So
wow. So talking about change itself, that's a theme for today. You've got some interesting...
Oh yeah, I was doing this social experiment, Manu.
Tell me more.
Do you want to know about it?
Absolutely, yeah.
You don't look like you want to know about it.
I would.
Okay, fine. So what I did was, I tried to, usually when I go to work, I try to change my look a little bit every day. And but you know, you have this usual casual look that you use for work. I usually use that kind of look. See that picture of mine with nude lipstick and basically no eyeliner and stuff like that, in the previous picture, that is. But when I want to go out, when I go out in the evening with my friends and all that, I try to pep it up a bit, you know, and I usually wear bright colored lipsticks like red, you know, because it actually strikes you, it gives you a striking look. Yeah, so what do you think of the picture? Banu, I need your impression on that. Come on, tell me.
So many adjectives I could use on that.
Oh gosh.
Pretty.
Right, thank you. But I want to know, I want to know, what do you think about the difference of the color and all that stuff?
I think it's outstanding, the difference is. I think what you made a really good point as when you said that you need to look different on each day. For example, if you go out with your friends, you should dress accordingly. You know, put the right lipstick on your lips.
Yeah.
And talking more about it.
Yeah, the thing is, you know, when you work 9 to 5, you work 9 to 5 and you have this kind of nude lipstick on and you have the basic makeup on.
Yeah.
And if you want to go out immediately after work, then you have to, you know, do something very quick to your look. And that's what I usually do. By myself, okay, without professional expertise, of course. And then the next thing that I do is I try to change my hair. You know what, when you actually have curly hair, I have a lot of curly hair. The MTV Stylist Group has done a brilliant job in trying to straighten my hair because it's actually very stubborn. But usually what I do is, when I go out, I try to quickly straighten my hair and look a little different, you know. And people who actually have dead straight hair, you should invest in a curling iron, because you know, when you invest in things like that, you can actually change your look in a drastic manner. Sometimes you look entirely different in a positive way, and that's, I think, a good thing.
And not only you and me, for that matter, not just the ordinary girl or boy. I think a lot of Hollywood celebrities and Bollywood celebrities, Collywood celebrities, and even worldwide celebrities tend to look different each day. And I think we're going to see a clip as well, as in an image where we can actually take you know, the transformations of some world-renowned celebrities.
Check that out. Look how that celebrities look without red lipstick and with red lipstick.
I love Angelina Jolie. By the way.
Everybody loves Angelina Jolie. Even girls love Angelina Jolie. Okay, she's like the style icon, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, so talking about that, we're not only talking about lipstick color right now. We're also talking about hair and, of course, shoes. I try to sort of invest in colored shoes. You know, shoes are different colors. So when you even wear something really plain and of one color, if you wear something like what I'm wearing right now, if you can actually see that, there, so you can actually bring a little change. Oh, there, that's a picture on screen. You can actually bring a little change to your outfit. You can actually look a little bit better and fun and flirtatious, and you're the kind of the guy that kind of the girl that Banu would look like.
Okay. Very funny on that note. But we're talking about all these changes. Even I used to have a different look before the show, and I think props to
I want to see that. I want to see that.
Props to the makeup artist for doing it.
I want to see that.
Yeah, it will come on the show as we speak on.
Okay, how did you look without makeup?
Well, I don't know whether how.
Wow! Banu, really? That's how you look without makeup?
That's the before look, which I'm not very proud of. right now.
Well, you should know. Everybody, come on. It's
Yeah.
okay. You should
Yeah.
be proud of yourself, how you look with or without makeup.
No,
But the thing is, when
makeup
you go
isn't- yeah.
out, when you hang around with people, you have to actually, try to look a little better than you naturally look. Don't you think so?
You talk a lot, aren't you? Yeah,
I'm a natural talker. Sorry.
Yeah, I kind of know what you are talking about. It's like not just the usual way that you look when you go out, especially with your friends or else. It differs from this thing to that thing, different places sometimes, and then you have to look classy based on the position and based on where you go.
Exactly, and based on the people who you hang around with.
Absolutely. So talking about that, we've got a professional expertise of winner of upcoming fashion designer of the year 2011. She knows what she's talking about more than you do.
Really?
Yes. So please
Obviously, that is
welcome
obvious.
Rafaela Fernando. Ever so gorgeous. Yeah.
Yay! Hi, Rafaela. Welcome to GMSM.
Thank you so much.
I need a hug as well.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. So you start flirting early in the morning, Banu.
That's not called flirting, but just giving a proper person a hug.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's not make our guest uncomfortable. Hi, Rafaela. Hi. How are you?
I'm
We're going to
good.
talk to Banu a lot, by the way.
Okay.
But you're looking fabulous today.
Thank
Yes,
you so
definitely.
much. So are you?
Thank you very much.
Oh, here we go again.
Blushing a little bit. So tell me, what do you do, as in for a living? Plus, people want to know exactly what you do.
Okay. By profession, I'm a fashion designer and a fashion photographer. And I work as a stylist as well. And I actually have 5 parts. Like, I do 5 jobs.
Wow. That's pretty active. So when do you sleep?
It's very rare I sleep. I mean, it doesn't mean that I don't sleep. I
Yeah,
sleep.
Of course.
Yeah, that's about
How
it.
do you like your work, Rafaela? I mean, of course, the fact that you said that you're working 5 jobs, it
Yeah.
actually makes me feel like you love what you do.
Yes, exactly.
So tell us about what you do, a bit about
Okay.
what you do.
If I start with fashion designing, I'm a fashion graduate, so that's what I do. I do lots of styling, and styling comes like I do most of the time more of celebrity style. I'm a celebrity stylist. so
Wow. Who have you worked with?
I have worked nearly 40 celebrities locally, and in India I have worked with 3.
Wow.
So it's kind of interesting.
Right.
So talking about the designs that you've done so far, which design have you meant on it to be like, this is a design that I've really worked hard, as you can see on the screen right now?
Okay.
Yeah?
Talking about that one, I did it for Sri Lanka's Up and Coming Fashion Design Awards in 2011.
Where you won 6 awards.
No, there I won 3 awards.
Okay.
And for that I won the best haute couture evening wear.
That's so cool.
Sorry?
That's so cool.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, Rafaela, a lot of people right now are, expecting a lot of tips coming out of you.
Okay.
Because you are an expert in the industry. What sort of tips that you would like to give out to the audience? For example, young girls and guys out there who needs a change. That's what we're talking
Okay.
about. So 5 quick tips about changeover and makeover.
Okay, so you want me to give very quick tips?
Yeah?
Okay, I'll just start this way, Banu, because we have things like fashion and then we have style. So fashion.
What do you mean you have things like fashion and style? What's the difference between fashion and style?
Okay, fashion is something, it changes from time to time, and style is something that we adapt out of it.
Is it personal? Is style?
It is totally, because you got your own style and he got his own style, I got my own style,
Yeah.
something like that.
Cool.
And yeah, those are from that, fashion changes, as I told before, and if it reflects what your own personality.
So what's your style, looking at you?
I change my style from each month. I have a different look. So
Wow.
last month I was like a totally girlish girl like look.
And what do you call this look right now? With the fringe and all, it looks really nice.
Thank you. This is more of a, I don't know. I mean, right now I love black.
Okay.
I have actually transformed into a goth in this month,
Oh,
which I cannot
a very
really-
pretty goth, by the way.
Thank you so much. Because over here I actually cannot be totally dressed like a
Yeah,
goth.
yeah,
In the morning they will see a ghost. It'll be scary. So it's more of a girlish look.
Interesting. Interesting. So, Rafaela, I was wondering if you actually was listening to this social experiment that I was doing.
Yes, I
So,
am.
what do you think? Give us some professional advice on what we were sharing.
I think you should give a lot of advice on.
I know. Okay, go ahead.
I actually saw the pictures. You look really good in both pictures.
Thank you.
The first one was like really girlish. I love your curls though.
Thank you.
You know, it's really nice and very girly, pretty, everything. And the second look with the red lipstick, it was hot. It was nice.
Wow.
It was really nice.
Manu, somebody's giving me compliments and you're staring at her. Okay, so give us, I mean, what could people do, what could girls do when they work, you know, from 9 to 5 and they want to go out in the evening and there's no time to dress up or no time to completely change their outlook? What do you think they should do to quickly, you know, make themselves look a little different?
And to add to that question, I think it's not just about the young girls that we're talking about, the older girls as well. Because exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, like, you know, what they can do is, you know, they can play with colors and, you know, they can, you know, accessorize, you know, we call it styling. So, you know, they can use accessories and say makeup and, you know, change the hair and, you know, maybe the handbag. Okay. And maybe like little stuff like scarves, belts, jackets,
right.
You know, blazers, cardigans, boleros, whatsoever it is, you know, like the office girls wear.
Yeah, so you add color into the whole.
Exactly.
Right, cool. I've also heard that you shouldn't wear your hair in a ponytail if you have curly hair. Is that true? Because I hear things from all over the place. So I'm asking
it depends, you know, Anupam. Like, you know, some people look really good with the pony, you know.
Right.
Some look, you know, some look fat, some look
So you could actually give a comment after looking at that person and be like, you know, this person needs it and this person doesn't, is it?
And what I believe is, Banu, like what you wear is the reflection of your own self. You know, like sometimes people think, you know, this is not going to suit me, this is really ugly on me.
Okay.
But the actual thing is like, you know, what you see is not actually what you see. Others see in a different way, you know. Sometimes you might think my ponytail looks horrible and, you know, maybe some other guy is checking you out and thinking, wow, that girl is hot, you know. Those things
I think the conversation is getting hotter as well. I like it.
What do you think about guys then? How do they change their look right after work in order to go out and have fun with their friends?
Like in that case, you know, they cannot work out like what girls do, like accessories, shoes. No.
Or earrings, Banu.
I think apart from just looks wise, I think for guys it's important that you work out. On a regular basis.
Exactly.
And apart from
say if it's a shirt, you know, like if it's a guy, you know, who's wearing a shirt, you know, all the guys need to look good. So in that case, you know, they have long sleeves, you know, they tuck it in and everything. Maybe like, you know, they're going out with friends, you know, still they don't have time to like change, like a total change, you know. Say, you know, they can fold the sleeves and, you know.
How about the hair, Rafaela? Because we saw Banu's picture with his hair without being gelled, and then we see it now being like perfectly gelled and perfectly composed.
Yeah, I mean, I think both looks match you. Like, you know, the first look is a bit of a
nerdy look, right?
It is, you know, like I think, you know, you look in a good way. Okay. Definitely in a good way, you know, it'll look really cool if you have a pair of geek glasses, you know.
Okay, I shall consider that as well. Rafaela, thank you so much for coming to our set, and it's been an absolute blast of a session that we had.
So much
we
fun.
Enjoyed and we learned a lot as well, so thank you once again, and we'll talk to you soon,
Yeah,
okay?
sure.
Alright, we have a surprise as well coming up on the show, but do stay tuned for that. This is Good Morning Sri Lanka.